Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, it's me Sumaya, and today I'm going to show you two different ways of four-strand braids. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe me down below. And then for further ado, let's get started. For this hairstyle, I make 4 equal sections and I started from my right. So over the right, under the middle and over the left. Then I'm gonna have 2 strands hanging on the middle. Then just I'm gonna go for a crisscross. Then again I'm gonna start from my right, over the right, under the middle and over the left. Again I'm gonna have 2 strands hanging on the middle. Then I'm gonna go for the crisscross. Again I'm gonna follow the same step from my right, over the right, under the middle and then over the left. Same way I'm gonna give crisscross on the middle of 2 hanging sections. Then again I'm gonna start from my right, over the right, under the middle and over the left. Then again I'm gonna give crisscross, and the same way I'm gonna complete it until the end. And the unique part of this braid is you're gonna have knot on the middle. And you can keep the braid just like this, but I prefer a bit of fluffiness, so I just pull the braid edges, and yes, the braid is just complete. Now for the second way, I'm gonna start from my right side, over the right, under the middle, and over the left. Now again, from the right side, over the right, under the middle, and over the left. Again, I'm gonna start from my right, over the right, under the middle and over the left. Just remember, over, under and over. If you feel a bit tricky on the first way, just first of all go with the second way, then it will make the way more easier for you to create the first look. So the same way I'm going to continue until the end. At the end, I tuck the edges to make the braid more voluminous. I hope guys you really enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hashtag me on Instagram. And then for today, bye!